Hello, Yangon Church Mission Team, brothers and sisters. I'm Brother Jasper Quilates, the minister in charge in Palitan Church. First of all, I would like to thank God for all His grace, and thank you, Yangon Church Mission Team, for all your sacrifice, helping, and supporting in Palitan Church. Regarding for the church guard that you gave us, it is very helpful for the growth of our Christian life and also for the lost souls. Please include in your prayers for our incoming Bible seminar that will be held on May 19 to 23. Hopefully, many lost souls will be saved and will attend in that Bible seminar. Please pray for us. Please pray for me in preaching the words of God. And thank you and God bless. So, see you on October. Goodbye. See you.
Thank you for supporting us, Yangon Church.